Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 8 Maths tutorial. The topic is time and walk. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, दाग चेहरे का यूं ही छोड़ दिया जाता है, दाग चेहरे का यूं ही छोड़ दिया जाता है, आईना जिद में मगर तोड़ दिया जाता है, आईना जिद में मगर तोड़ दिया जाता है. थैंक यू. Okay, the question is, A and B together can build a wall in 10 days. B and C working together can do it in 15 days. C and A together can do it in 12 days. How long will they take to finish the work working all together? Also, find the number of days taken by each to do the same work working alone. That's the question. Okay, so A and B together can build a wall in 10 days. 10 days. Therefore, A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 10. Because in 10 days they complete one work, whole work. A and B together can build a wall in 10 days, whole work, entire work, that is one work. So in 10 days A and B can complete entire work, that is one work. Therefore in one day 1 upon 10 part of the work, 1 upon 10 part. 1 upon 10 part of the work. So A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 10. Similarly, because it is said that B and C working together can do it in 15 days. In 15 days, one work, complete work, one work. So in 1 day, 1 upon 15 part of the work. So B plus C's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 15. You may write down 1 upon 15 part of the work. Similarly, C plus A's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 12. Now we add A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. See, A is coming twice. A, B, B, C, C. So that 2 we are taking common. And A plus B plus C. Actually it is 2A plus 2B plus 2C when we add. But 2 we are taking common and writing 2 A plus B plus C's 1 day work is equal to this plus this plus this. 1 over 10 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 12 is equal to, when you add it, now you add it, now you find out the LCM, how you want to add, please add it. I have written directly 1 upon 4. And this 1 upon 4 also you don't write down here, you write down below here. Right? Below this you write down is equal to 1 upon 4. So addition, I hope you can do it, right? You add these three fractions, you will get finally 1 upon 4. How will you get? Should I show you? See, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12. The LCM will be how much? Is it 60? LCM is 60. 10, 15 and 12, 60 is the LCM. Okay, 60 is the LCM. So 10 6 are, so you get here 6 plus 15 4s are, you get here 4 plus 12 5s are, you get here 5, right? And this gives you how much? 15 upon 4. 15 upon 60. And this gives you 1 over 4. Alright, so 1 over, you show all these steps. Alright? Okay, so you got 1 upon 4. This is 2 A plus B plus C is 1 day work. So when you find out A plus B plus C is 1 day work, twice A plus B plus C is 1 day work is 1 over 4. So A plus B plus C's one day work will be Less no, because here it is twice. So less means you divide by 2. So 1 over 4 and this 2 will come down in the denominator. So 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 8 part. Right? Okay. So now see, A plus B plus C's one day work is equal to 1 upon 8. Or 1 upon 8 simply, or you can write down 1 upon 8 part of the work. Now A plus B plus C finish 1 by 8 part of the work in 1 day. 1 by 8 part in 1 day. Therefore, A plus B plus C finish, A, B and C, they finish entire work, whole work, that is one work, in 8 days. Got it? 1 upon 8 part in 1 day. 1 upon 8 part in 1 day. So whole entire work. More days, so you multiply, right? 8 days. This is one thing. This was how long will they take to finish the work, working all together? So they'll complete in 8 days. Now the second part is also find the number of days taken by each to do the same work working alone. When they are working alone, then how many days will they take? Each one of them, A, B and C. Alright, so for that what you do, this is one of the answers. Now what you do, see, A plus B plus C is 1 day work, whereas A plus B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 8, right? Now A plus B's 1 day work is 1 upon 10. So when you subtract this minus this, see here A, B, C, all three are there, and here only A and B. So when you subtract, you will get C's 1 day's work. Alright. Or if you want to go in order, first if you want A's 1 day work, then what you do, you subtract this one, B plus C from A, B, C. This is A plus B plus C, sorry, A plus B plus C's 1 day work is equal to 1 upon 8, and B plus C's 1 day work is 1 upon 15. So when you subtract this minus this, you will get 1 over 8 minus 1 over 15, and that gives you A's 1 day work, because 1 by 8 is all three and 1 by 15 is only B and C. So when you subtract these two, this A plus B plus C is 1 day work, and this B plus C, right? So this minus this gives you A's 1 day work. So I'm writing down A's 1 day work. Is that fine? So A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work. See this. Where A plus this is. This one is A plus B plus C is 1 day work, and this is B plus C is 1 day work. We are subtracting. So B plus C goes, and we get A. So A is 1 day work. So A is 1 day work. Is 1 day work is equal to how much? 1 over 8 minus 1 over 15, and subtract this. What is LCM? Subtract LCM, tell me LCM of 15 and 8. Is it 120? Shall you write down your 120? So 15 here minus 8 here. Is that fine? 8 15s are 15 1s are 15, 15 8s are 8 1s are 8, right? Now when you subtract, you get how much? 7 upon, you get 7 over 120. Agreed? 7 over 120. A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work is this much. Now this much part, again same thing. This much part A does in 1 day. Since 7 upon, see how I'm writing, since 7 upon 120 part of the work A does or A finish or A completes, A finishes or A completes, since 7 upon 120 part A does in 1 day, A does in is equal to 1 day. Therefore, one work, full work, whole entire work, one work, A does in 120 upon 7 days, right? So therefore, can I write this? Therefore, one work, that means the entire work. One work means entire work. Therefore, one work A does in how much? That's the reciprocal of this, no? 120 upon 7. 120 upon 7 days. 120 upon 7 days. Alright. That means, and this you can write down. This you can write down is equal to 7 1s are 7, then 5 0 50, 7 7s are 49, so 17, 1 upon 7 days. Alright, so A completes alone the work in 17 1 upon 7 days. Similarly, what you do, when you subtract C plus A from A plus B plus C, this minus this, you will get B's 1 day work. That will be 1 over 8 minus 1 over 12. So from there you will get B's 1 day work. And when you subtract this, A plus B from A plus B plus C, that means 1 over 8 minus 1 over 10, then you get C's 1 day work. Follow the steps like I have done for A. Okay, so please complete that. 2-3 more steps are there. You can complete. Hope things are very, very clear. Okay then, thank you so much. Thanks.